students, in this lecture we will learn about linked traverse. It's the type of closing traverse. In closed loop traverse we have same base points, but in linked traverse we have different base points from starting and from the end. What are the objective of linked traverse? Is providing control marking for setting out a linear infrastructure development, like center line set of the earthwork and corridor boundaries. We use linked traverse on motorways, railways, gas pipelines, electrical transmission towers like poles and wires, sewerage and water supply pipelines. Here is some examples. So what will the procedure? We will learn here. Step number 1. Once the instrument is set out over the station, make sure that all the clamps are off and that the instrument is in the face left position here. Step number 2. Set the horizontal angle to 0 at reference point. Once you have carefully shot onto the reference object. Step number 2. Plunge and reverse the theodolite or your total station and shoot back on the same reference object. Check that the difference between the face left and face right is not greater than 40 seconds. If it is more than 40 seconds, then repeat your step 2 and 3. Step number 4. We now shoot onto the other target B. Once again we observe the face left reading first and record it. We then plunge and reverse the telescope and observe the face right reading. We further check that the reading are not out by more than 40 seconds of a degree. Step number 5. We now have observed the internal angle between reference object and the target object. We will table our readings, and it will better to start with your diagram because it will help you during calculations. Once you will calculate your angular misclosure, then you must need to consider these equations, and you must need to know what is your allowable misclosure. If your allowable misclosure is known, this is compared to the allowable value, then two cases will arise. If the misclosure is acceptable, it is divided equally between the observed angle. If the misclosure is not acceptable, then the angle must be remeasured if no gross error can be located in the angle booking or summation. We will calculate angular misclosure and adjust our horizontal angles. You must need to populate the table and calculate the polar coordinate first. Once you have polar coordinate, then you can calculate your rectangular coordinates. If you want to know about rectangular coordinates and polar coordinates, what they have difference, then write me in the comment box. I will make video on this. If you need traverse sheet, how we book the data of traverse at site, then you can write in the comment box. I will provide you. I will put these slides in the description link. You can download and read and practice as per your own. So hope you like this video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get latest